Are you planning to build a new home from the ground up? While the prospect of a custom-built home is exciting, it's important to be aware of common problems that can arise during the construction process. Poorly fitted windows and doors can pose challenges during the construction of a new build home, affecting energy efficiency and overall functionality. Ensuring proper installation of loft insulation is crucial to prevent heat loss and maintain a comfortable living environment in your new build home. Brickwork pointing problems can impact the structural integrity and visual appeal of your new build home, requiring attention to detail during construction. Addressing potential cracks in walls early on is essential to avoid structural issues and ensure the longevity of your new build home. Attention to detail in plastering and decor is key to achieving the desired look and feel of your new build home, enhancing its overall aesthetics. Consider conducting a snagging survey during the construction phase to identify and address any issues before completion, ensuring a high-quality finish for your new build home. To overcome common construction challenges and achieve your dream home, trust the expertise of professionals like Arcplan. Contact Arcplan today for a seamless and successful new build home construction experience.